Welcome to the Cheeky Vegan Chicks.
Thanks for joining us.
I'm Harmony.
And I'm Jenny.
And today we're going to make black bean burgers.
Ooh.
And you know what's special about these black bean burgers?
What?
Visually, they are stunning because we're using black tahini, black rice, and black quinoa. And it is just the most gorgeous. I actually call them on my blog, I call them black beauty bean burgers because they're so beautiful.
You've got a lot of black over here. So
yeah.
I'm excited to see how they come together. We've got lots of ingredients.
Yes, we do. But it's pretty easy.
Hey, I like your shirt. What does that mean?
WFPB means whole food plant-based.
Oh, duh.
No, it's a lot of people don't know. It's kind of a niche term.
Yeah.
But what's different between whole food plant-based and vegan?
Lots.
Talk about it later. Stick around. So I think we're ready. You ready?
Let's do it. Yeah.
Let's get nourished. Okay, we're back, and we're going to mix up all our ingredients for our black bean burgers in this Braun food processor. I've had this guy for years. It never dies, Jenny.
Old trusty over there.
I abuse it like crazy.
What's his name?
Braun.
That's his name? Braun?
I don't have
let's say his name's Brian.
Brawny.
Brawny Brian.
Anyway, I'll put a link to this and any other uncommon ingredients and things that we use will always be in the description below with a link to purchase if you should.
So before we start pouring, I just want to make a comment because I'm thinking black.
Yeah.
So it's important because if I put one together, I would not have black tahini, which we'll talk about in a minute. I would not do the black. I don't have black this. And then it would look gross. You know?
Actually, it doesn't.
They're so pretty.
It would still look good, but it wouldn't have that dynamic
that black,
visual.
It's really pretty.
It really is.
And
nice.
they look like burgers.
I know.
Right?
Yeah, they're great. All right, let's get started. You want to read me the ingredients?
Yes. So we're going to start with 2 cups of black beans drained and 1 cup reserved.
Okay, so we're going to take 1 cup out of here.
Yep. There's a thing right there.
That's okay. What I'll do is I'll just take 1 cup out in here and I'll leave the rest in here.
Perfect.
So we use Eden beans. Whenever we do it, you can, of course, make your own beans from dried beans, and that's the most economical way to go.
Yeah.
But when I use canned beans, I always use Eden because it's really the only one that's salt-free.
Yep.
And they use kombu in their beans when they're cooking it, which is a seaweed, which actually helps with digestion.
Yeah.
So we have less music with our beans.
Yeah. That's important. That's definitely
Eden
something to worry about.
Eden is a great company.
You know,
great product.
Today I use the Eden brand for my noni lentils.
Oh, nice.
Yep. They're really good.
Oh, good.
All right. Now we're going to do black quinoa. We're going to reserve 1/2 a cup and put the rest in. So really 1 cup here.
All right. So putting that, reserving that.
Excellent.
And this is going in. And this is like one bowl wonder, you guys.
All right.
All right.
Okay. This stuff is like, I don't know, black gold or something. But
the tahini.
Yeah, the tahini. We're going to do 1/4 cup.
Okay. And if you've never had black tahini, you're missing out. It is such a deep, rich flavor. Again, Eden. This company is amazing. They've been around so long.
Oh, it's the same.
They have a lot of integrity. I doubt they'll ever sell out to one of the large, conglomerate food companies. I just love Eden.
I heard Sam's Choice was going to buy them.
I'm not sponsored by them. Hi, Eden. All right. Black tahini.
Yep.
Going in. Of course, it's made from black sesame seeds. And I don't know why it tastes so different.
It tastes like black. It's black gold.
It's just really delicious.
It does. It makes it adds like depth to the flavor.
It is.
Okay.
Right.
A tablespoon of chia seeds.
Uh-oh.
Where are they?
I
have
find
them
before. Can you get them?
Yeah, of course.
I'll keep going. Yes.
And we need what?
Oh, the black rice. I didn't put the black rice in. Black rice.
1/2 cup cooked black rice. I'm messing up here.
Is the only grain, maybe, I don't know, maybe black quinoa has some too. One of the only grains that has anthocyanins, which is a phytochemical usually found in dark berries like blueberries and blackberries.
Oh.
Very healthy. So that's
1/2 cup.
1/2 cup of black rice. It's sometimes called emperor's rice or something
Emperor's
like that.
rice. Grab me a measuring spoon. I need to get a tablespoon out for these chia seeds.
Tablespoon is
right there.
Here. 1 tablespoon psyllium husk. Okay, psyllium husks. This is a very magical ingredient when it comes to burgers, veggie loaves, even in baking. It's a great egg replacer because the seed gets very kind of gelatinous, maybe. I don't know the word, but it makes things stick together like egg does.
You know what? I was thinking about this yesterday. Psyllium husk is a replacement for Metamucil.
Oh yes,
so
you can do it that way
if you think about how Metamucil works,
right?
That's how it's gonna blow up, right? And that gives us the thickness that we want in our burgers.
Right. You are so smart.
I am.
All right, chia seeds.
Right here.
1 tablespoon.
And our psyllium husk powder.
Psyllium husk powder.
And ground cumin. This stuff makes it taste. Everything tastes like a Mexican restaurant.
Food.
And also this one, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika. Oh, lovely flavor.
Do you say paprika?
Paprika.
I say paprika.
Paprika.
Yeah, that's the Alabama way.
All right.
Low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon.
I use Namashoyu. Namashoyu something.
Ooh, Namashoyu.
I love this brand because it's cultured, and so it actually has some probiotic in there.
Nice.
You have to keep it.
I'm gonna have to get that one.
That's really good.
When I run out.
Okay. Soy sauce going in.
Pepper flakes.
These are
glitter pepper flakes. They look like they have a glitter in them.
They're cute. They're Korean chili pepper flakes.
Ooh.
I learned about these from Will Young Cooking. He's a vegan YouTuber, and they are delicious. They're spicy, but they have a depth of flavor that's really nice.
Okay.
And
all right. Oh, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Love that stuff. Put it in everything.
It's actually garlic granules.
And then are we going to turn Mr. Brian the Brawn on first and then add our other ingredients?
Yes.
Okay. Look at him go.
Simple.
Go, Brian. Go, Brian.
Done. Perfect. That didn't take much at all.
So now we're going to put the rest of our ingredients in,
and
which
is
a
little bit of a pulse. Yes.
Okay. So we're going to put in the rest of our black beans. Get them all out now. Rest of the quinoa. Salsa.
If you try and get for this recipe a thick, chunky salsa,
makes a
because if
difference.
it's really watery, then you're gonna have to drain some of the water off because it'll affect the consistency.
And then
onions.
There you go, onion.
That is it.
And pulse.
Pulse.
And we're done. All right, come on, Brian, give us a couple good ones.
Pulse. You know, if you don't have a food processor, you could make it in a bowl and just kind of mash the first ingredients together a little bit. The food processor.
Could you use a Vitamix or no?
Oh no, that would just pulverize.
That would make it look like the glue, like that mental loaf that I did the other day. Didn't work.
Okay, that might have been a little too much, but no, I think it's good.
No, they look good.
All right, so we're going to transfer this to a bowl, shape them into our burgers.
And put them on the grill.
And we'll be back. Okay, so we shaped our burger into burger dough, I don't know what you call it, into 4 burgers. These are huge, you guys.
But they look gorgeous. Look at the little deep stuff in there.
You could easily get 8 out of this if you not like me and want your burgers so fat. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this pan. You don't need oil if you have a good nonstick pan. My favorite go-to pans are Scan pans. They are amazing. And I will put a link to this in the description below. You don't need any oil. They cook evenly. They last forever. They're nice and heavy and durable. So let's get these guys on the pan. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. You can do the water test where you put a little bit of water on. I'll do that.
Do that.
Make sure it's hot enough, but not too hot, obviously. Oh yeah, see it bubbling up?
Perfect.
That's good. So I'm going to turn it down just a little. I would say medium to medium high. These countertop things are like
different.
Yeah.
Very different.
But the thing you want to do, you want to make sure you get them warm all the way through because they're fat.
They're
so
really
you don't want
fat.
it to be too high.
Really,
yeah, you work with your own stove and you'll get the hang of it. So we're going to cook these for about, I would say, maybe 8 minutes on each side on medium to medium high.
Okay.
And then we're going to do our taste.
Ooh, can't wait. My favorite.
So I promised you I would talk about whole food plant-based and what it means versus vegan, the V word.
Very different.
We are whole food plant-based. We are. But, you know, the whole food plant-based cheeky chicks doesn't quite have the same ring as cheeky vegan chicks.
Right.
So technically we're vegan because we don't eat meat. But whole food plant-based is a little different. The term was coined by T. Colin Campbell when he was doing his research and speaking to his colleagues about his upcoming book, The China Study. And he was very interested in developing a diet style whereby people would get a lot of nutrients and not a lot of processed foods. So whole food plant-based really means very minimally processed ingredients, as whole food as possible, and no junk food. Veganism, most people go vegan for the animal activism, animal rights, which is great. I mean, I love animals too, but I went vegan or plant-based for my health.
Same.
Yeah. Same. So, I mean, veganism can include
Oreos. You told me that one time.
Soda, you know, Coca-Cola or
crazy fried chicken stuff and
weird
stuff
that's
meat.
not healthy. I mean, I've known vegans who are not healthy. So just because it's vegan doesn't mean it's healthy.
Right.
But whole food plant-based is a little different. It's more of a niche and it's healthier, and that's what we do.
Love it.
All right. So let's see how these are looking. I'm going to flip them. See, that looks pretty good. It's a little dark on top. Oh my God, they're gorgeous.
So is that crusty enough for you?
No, I'll probably flip it again. Yeah, flip it a couple of times, like I say, to make sure the inside gets nice and warm. That can go a little more.
What if you got it on?
I have it on medium now.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can fool around with your temperatures on your own stove. Every stove is different. So we're going to let these cook a little bit, and then we'll be back.
All right. Look.
I'm like, camera lights, this is it. We'll hit the heights. I know what heights will hit.
I have no idea what that is.
On with the show. It's a Bugs Bunny theme.
Well, I do know that. Okay.
Okay. They're done. So we're gonna portion them out. And we're gonna do our tasting. Look at that gorgeousness. It's bigger than the bun.
It's so what?
Granted, these are small buns.
Hey.
Let's check it out.
And what do you think? Would you like
gorgeous? I mean, wouldn't that be great for a picnic or something?
Yes.
Yeah.
Would you like some salsa on yours?
I would love some salsa on mine.
Okie doke.
That's good.
Is that good?
Thank you. Yeah.
Is this mild or medium?
Put a tomato and some lettuce. Oh my gosh, how are we going to eat that?
Oh, it's
my
so
mouth's
pretty.
Not that big.
Should we cut it in half?
I don't know. I think I'll manage.
Okay.
And you know, when the burgers are hot, they're a little bit soft. They kind of firm up as they cool.
Okay.
So they freeze really well too. If you did want to make extra and freeze them, you could do that.
All right.
Are we ready?
I think so. I think I might need to mash mine down. Look at that.
It's really big.
Okay.
Okay. Let's not drip.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
It tastes like Mexican. So good.
Delicious. Okay. This is the real deal. Me too.
We said we were going to eat a bunch.
So we weren't hungry.
But it's good.
Really good. Delicious.
Very good.
Okay. Well, anyway, I think we're done for the day. If you guys, excuse me, let me finish this. That was a big bite.
It was.
If you found our video helpful, informative, entertaining, please like and subscribe. We've grown our channel. We're doing great.
We are.
Our last video got over 1,000 views. I was like, what?
Thank you guys.
Because we're brand new and we're trying to build our channel. So the more likes and views and subscriptions, the better.
Yep.
So that's it for today.
All right.
And what do we say? Remember,
nothing tastes as good as healthy feels.